All right, we are back again here today with our drawing live here in Minnesota, JW Solar USA. I gotta extend the time a little bit. I was thinking I'm gonna have more people signed up, and eventually I pick up about two more people. That would have been the shortest list, about six right here. So if we go through the list here, we have Arrowcane, we have 3,000 watts leaving, we have Samuel Ofosu Scuto, and Off-Grid Living St. Lucia, and old KY Navy Vet 1970, and Eric Coleman, and we have Divorce the Horse and Stevie B Rockstar Solar. Live from the channel, these are the people, and I'm gonna go do the drawing right now. Wanna waste more time. And guys, you ready for this? We're gonna spin the wheel live here. And the thing I'm showing you guys here is my portable solar setup I did for my 12 volt. And now let's go ahead and see who's gonna be the lucky winner here. Okay, you see about 8 people register into the system. Okay, so if we decide to start, and we're gonna spin the wheel. Well, this is how it works. If I spin the wheel once and I got somebody, and I'm gonna mark that person and try it again the second and third time. The reason I'm doing so, if the first contestant don't want it, then I can pass it to the second person. If the second person decide doesn't want it, well, we can pass it to the third person. So if the third person doesn't want it, then we're gonna redraw again, or maybe we can add it to the next week drawing. So check this out. Every Sunday is a 4 weeks giveaway the rest of March. Every Sunday, we have 4 Sunday in March. So every Sunday I'm gonna do a giveaway. So after this video, make sure, don't forget, sign out or sign up right on this channel, on this video that I'm giving away today, the 10th. And hey guys, mind you guys, if you forget, today is a daylight saving, so the time already changed. So we're gonna be picking up more sun and more longer days now. So what you do, sign up on the video, say you want to be signed up for the next giveaway. That's going to be for next week. You have to do it on this video right now. So guys, this is the deal, and this is how we're going to do it, and stay tuned. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, we got a winner right here. And remember the rules. If you're overseas, I cannot ship this thing to you. Okay? If you decided to be within the islands, the Caribbeans here, and most of the time they have a PO box, and they have a mail in Florida, or how you call it, in California. So they do have PO boxes that you can send it there. Anything within the US, I'll mail. Okay? After that, no, I'm not going to mail any international. So we got a winner here. The winner number 3 is going to call Samuel Ofosu Scoto. So remember the drills. If you're overseas, I'm not shipping this thing. So you can make another reservation, maybe pass it to the next person. Well, because of that, we're going to do another drawing here for the first, second, and third. So Samuel is the number 1 winner, the first winner. So let's try to spin the wheel one more time and see OB number 2. All right, you ready again? We have number 5. Number 1 is Number 5 is gonna be Old KY Navy Vet. Old KY Navy Vet. If Samuel Ofuso Scoto don't want this gift, it's gonna be yours. You're gonna be the next person in line to get this one. So you guys remember to send me your email addresses. Watch for the result. If the person who won this doesn't reply and I sent you an information, now you have to listen to this video and you have to get back to me. My email address is gonna be jwsolarusa, jwsolarusa at gmail.com. At gmail.com. It's one word, all in lower cases. So you send me your address, Samuel. If you don't want it, just reply back into the comments below and said you are not interested. Then I'll pass it on to Old KY Navy Navy Vet 1970. Old Time Navy will take it. If the Old Time Navy don't want it, then we can do the third drawing right here for the third person in place. Stay tuned. All right, we're gonna go for the third round here for the third participant for number third place. If these two don't want this gift, then you're gonna pass it to the third person. Stay tuned. Good luck. Well, we don't have a third person. So we tied twice on the second and third drawing, which is going to be Old KY Navy Vet 1970. If Samuel don't want it, so nobody has took your place for the third position, so it's all yours. If you don't want it, then I can save it for next week. Then it's going to be 2 giveaway for next week. So it's going to be 2 giveaway. That time it's going to be drawn the first and second and third. Okay? We're going to do first, second, and third. So that time, or maybe fourth, that time if the first person is not taking it, second person will take that one. And we come to the second giveaway again, which is going to be for that particular Sunday. Then we're going to do that. And that's how the thing is going to repeat itself. But we're just going to be having if nobody takes this one, it's going to be 3 drawings, but we're going to be like 2 of each. Okay? So it's going to be 2 drawings on first place and 2 drawings on the second other gift. But I hope someone's going to take this gift. And before doing that, let me just go ahead and pan. Congratulations to you guys, Samuel Ofoso Scoto with Old KY Navy Vet. So this is your gift. Ha ha. This is a Samsung Gear VR with a remote. This one you can use to watch your 360 videos. You can go online, you can watch on YouTube. You can watch everything you want. And you can watch some games and cool stuff. So, guys, it's powered by Hercules. So, if you don't know about this, look it up online. I'm not here to show you how to go about it. It's about time for you to explore things and learn how everything works. And if you don't like it, you might probably give it to your granddaughter, grandkids, or whatever, because I know there's nobody who's old enough to say, hey, I don't need this, because everybody's on games nowadays. So anyway, it's a good device here. I hope you like that, and please subscribe to the channel for next week and like the videos, and come back and bring more people so we can do this. So after today, it has 2 more drawings for the end of March giveaway. Live from Minnesota, JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. See you in the next drawing. Bye for now. For those of you who didn't succeed on this giveaway, I would say be patient, because you have 2 more rounds to go. Just keep on logging or sign yourself up so that you can have another chance for the next drawing. Bye for now.